Welcome and thanks for visiting the Burke Center Automotive Resource Center with video tips about vehicle maintenance to keep your car safe and at peak performance. Our goal is to help you make the best decision about car maintenance options to assure you, your family, and your passengers are safe. A frequent customer question we hear is, what are the signs of a bad wheel bearing? You will feel a choppy vibration or shake that originates with your tires, as if you were driving over gravel accompanied by a grinding noise. When you drive, you'll notice play in your steering and a looseness in handling. This indicates the bad wheel bearing is shredding into small metal shards, and the resulting friction produces excessive heat. Along with the stress on the remaining lubricant, the friction creates a hazardous driving situation. Symptom intensity increases along with your vehicle speed. Bottom line, you need immediate auto service to replace the bad wheel bearing before something goes terribly wrong. These are the classic signs of a bad wheel bearing. Your wheels can only rotate freely on well-lubricated wheel bearings, 1 or 2 per wheel depending on the vehicle. When a bad wheel bearing causes serious wear, it can seize up. When that happens, the wheel could detach from your vehicle and cause a very dangerous accident. When you arrive, the Burke Center Automotive ASE certified mechanics will perform a standard wheel movement test. If your properly mounted wheel can be wiggled up and down and side to side, then you have a bad wheel bearing that has failed. All vehicle manufacturers recommend wheel bearing cleaning, including a grease repack and readjustment of the bearings, along with a complete inspection every 30,000 miles in conjunction with your regular preventative brake service. Whether you need emergency auto repair for a bad wheel bearing or simply want to schedule a routine wheel bearing cleaning and inspection, you can trust the exceptional auto service professionals at Burke Center Automotive to deliver the wheel bearing services you need and get you safely back on the road in no time.